Local AI Sidebar is a Chrome extension that runs completely local in Chrome. It uses Gemini Nano model and it is completely private. It doesn't even need an internet connection. The first time we install it, it has to download the Gemini Nano model if it's not already available. And now it is loading. Okay, let me ask a sample question. Why is the sky blue? The AI is thinking. Depending on the hardware, it can be faster or slower. And we got back an answer. We also have here, for convenience, quick prompts, which can be edited in the prompts tab. The idea being that commonly used prompts could be saved for easy access. For example, if I copy paste this content in the chat box and I click summarize, this will instruct the AI to give me a summary of what I just provided. Another interesting feature is the knowledge tab, where I can add PDFs or text that can be learned and added to a vector database. And for example, if I ask what is a motorcycle, I'm expecting back a generic answer. And I got back this generic answer, but now I have a PDF, the California Motorcycle Handbook, that contains lots of information specific to California. And I can come to the knowledge tab, add a new PDF. So I will select the handbook PDF, click add PDF. Now it extracted the text, it generates embeddings and save them locally in a vector database. All this information is stored in the browser. Nothing leaves the computer, doesn't need any internet access. Now the new knowledge item was added. I go back to the chat tab and I repeat the same question. What is motorcycle? The AI is thinking. And now, as part of the prompts, it got also relevant paragraphs that were found in the knowledge database. And we can see now a different answer that has references to the document that it just learned, and it even points out to the page where the information was found. Besides the knowledge tab, we also have the settings tab, where different settings can be adjusted. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.